Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello, my name is Bilal Aslam and welcome to my first vlog. This is the first ever vlog, so I'm a bit nervous. Yeah. So in this, I'll tell you about how I spent my quarantine, and it's been a very stressful journey of this quarantine because me being an extrovert who loves going outside, partying with friends, and going from one friend's house to the other, and spending most of the time my time outside the house. And this was one of the main reasons why I had some spicy arguments with my parents, that why you're not staying at home and not giving the family time and that stuff. But happily their problem has been solved, and I'm giving much more time to my family than my friends, sadly. Yeah, so the first month of this quarantine I spent sleeping because university was a great stress, and meeting so many deadlines and assignments and work on projects and classes and everything was so stressful. So I slept, and I slept until I was satisfied. But knowing that this lockdown has extended for 2 more months, I decided to enroll myself on Coursera. And thanks to IBA for buying the subscription on Coursera, because it helped a lot. And I enrolled myself on an Excel course and also a graphic designing course. These two courses are going really well, and they are just about to end in a week or two. So I'm doing great, because I felt that I need to keep myself occupied with one thing or the other. Because and moreover, these things will help me specialize, and also will help me in the future too. And me being a person who's not much interested in movies and stuff, but obviously it was a quarantine period and everybody was free. So I was forced by my friends to watch some shows, and I watched it. We all know Money Heist, a great show, and watching all 3 seasons, waiting for the fourth season. And I also actually waiting or watching all 4 seasons, and the wait was for the fourth season. So yeah. And one thing I missed the most in being this quarantine was that playing and watching cricket, because me being a cricket fan, I miss playing cricket so much. So what I've done is that in my compound I have developed a small area where I can practice a small cricket drill, just to knock and just to keep myself busy and stuff, because I miss playing cricket too much. And we have come to Ramzan, and these online classes and stuff all were also so stressful. But yeah, said happily the semester has ended. We all will have no final exams, and the Ramzan is also ending. The In fact, the lockdown has also ended. So I think it's not a wise decision by the government, but I hope everybody stays safe. And may Allah protect all of us. So stay safe, stay at home, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.